I'm Val.
And I'm Brian.
And we've been married for 57 years. And so we are just a lovely team that work together.
Both of us, Val and I, have always been in some kind of a helping work.
We have 3 children and lots of grandchildren and enjoy that. But part of our enjoyment has been in being volunteers and setting up something like Mother Hubbard's Cupboard. And that was 15 years ago. We've been in Camden 27 years. Mother Hubbard's Cupboard got involved with the flood right from the start. Fortunately, our house wasn't affected, but many people we knew were. And so we were so pleased that Mother Hubbard's Cupboard was here in position and ready to pick up whatever happened. And so initially we walked the streets. We knew where the flood was. We were handing out hospital-grade disinfectant that was donated through to help the community, and some sanitiser. We were just giving the basics and listing everyone and finding out what they needed.
The Resilience Centre was set up with organisations who in some way were caring for people who were flood prone. And it had an impact upon me, if I can say it like that, to see the way in which people were wanting to help others, the way in which people appreciated being helped as well.
Shock, disbelief, trying to accept what had happened and the trauma that comes with that. And therefore, even where am I going to live? And I haven't got a place now. We were visiting people who had pulled their caravans up onto the netball courts and into Bunnings Yard. And some people thought, well, others will be worse off than me, and didn't even want to receive help initially. But most of them checked in through the Resilience Centre. They could see what services were there. They could see what help Mother Hubbard's was able to offer them. And that kept expanding as time went on. Some people we saw move from shock to anger when things were taking so long, and the insurance companies were sometimes taking so long. And it was just hard to watch, but we were aware of the process that they were going through and wanted to join them in their journey. One of our flood families has only just a week ago got back into their home. They've been a year out of their home.
But I saw that those people that worked behind the desks of those government agencies were just as human as everybody else. I saw them cry, I saw them plead with people, I saw them try and assuage somebody who might have been under stress, and they worked longer hours than they would have if they'd been working at their desk.
We're aware of what burnout can do to people, and have sometimes over the years struggled with that, but we have learnt to debrief well with each other, and there are others to talk through. Even the Southwest Sydney Health was an amazing resource for us as well to keep talking about things, and that helps us with our own mental health. There were many positives that happened as a result of this. I was absolutely amazed at the way the community got behind this. I thought we were part of a good community before. Now I'm absolutely sure that we are.